I'm so into secrecy. Ghost is taking me into darkness. इतिहास गवाह है. Huh? Ghost is. My bum hurts. It's very cold, but that's what it's about. I've never tried bhang before.
Yeah, you can come and watch me drink my morning coffee. Yeah.
Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome to another episode of Travel with Sar. We are in Kasol. The last vlog you must have seen me journey a long way and come here. If you haven't checked it out, then I'm going to link that vlog for you in the description box. वो देख लो तो थोड़ा idea आएगा कि मैं यहाँ कहाँ हूँ, क्या कर रही हूँ, everything. वो ही दिन की शाम है जहाँ मैंने वो vlog end किया है. So basically I've just reached Kasol in the afternoon today. What time is it? It's 8:06 and we are headed out to eat something. So now I'm my proper first meal after 36 hours. So let's go. We are going to this very cool cafe, Jim Morrison. Now I've never been here before. I've never been to Kasoloni before, so I'm excited to see. Let's go. I'm traveling with a ghost, guys. You all will never see him, like properly see him. But if you see glimpses of him, then that's my ghost. I'm traveling with a human ghost. Come on, ghost, let go. I'll put sensor on your face if you come. Audio तो आएगा? चले हम? So into secrecy. I'm so into secrecy, guys. कुछ भूल रहे हैं क्या? पैसे लिए? मैं बोल रहा थी खाना लिया. मैंने इतना अच्छे से ब्लैंकेट लगाया था और फिर से बिगाड़ दिया. This is our hotel over there, hillside. So pretty. It's perfect, huh? This is also a nice hotel. Hang out.
Actually, ours is more prettier.
Yeah, this is very Delhi types. Chandigarh types. Mumbai types. City types. Why are you making me walk in absolute darkness? My ghost is taking me into darkness.
Just be careful here, it's a narrow path.
Okay, ghost. Noted. Who is this?
Jim Morrison.
What is Jim Morrison?
Jim Morrison is a...
It's a person?
Yeah.
Jeez. This is like actually in the middle of a forest. You're okay?
Yeah.
And every time I'm breathless in the mountains, I get major BT. भैया yay! It was just a 200-meter hike. Hike मतलब walk था. इतनी गंदी स्टैमिना हो मेरे जैसी तो वो hike लगेगा. Worked up an appetite to eat here. Let's see what the hype is about.
I didn't like it, see if you liked it.
Tell him not to give the iced tea and tea.
Lemon tea.
चाहिए तुझे?
अगर ये जब तक खत्म नहीं हुआ अगर आ गया तो ठीक है.
You can send it back. Jim Morrison was a complete flop. It was a waste of walking till there more than anything. खाली फुकट मेरी सांस लगा दी. एक तो अभी थंब रूल रख लो कि अगर मुझे सांस लग रही है तो वहीं पे पॉज. इतिहास गवाह है कि अगर मेरी सांस लग रही है तो it's not going to end up well. But anyway, the food was really bad. The pasta was undercooked and they didn't even have non-veg. हमने पास्ता मंगाया, but वो अच्छा नहीं था. So now we are going somewhere else. I love the vibe of the city. People are half the time, I don't know, they're very chill. Either they're high or drunk, whatever it is, but they're very chill. It looks white from the camera. Yeah, camera does justice to how it is. Not as pretty though, but it's German Shepherd. Ghost and I don't have a good history with German Shepherd. He's such a floof. He's their guard dog though.
Guard dog, yeah.
Alright you guys, I am back in my PJs and first night in Kasol. Gonna be interesting. This town is very different. I've never experienced something like this before ever. I feel like Ghost and I were the only sober people today in town. बाकी सब लोग trip कर रहे थे. तो different, nice. I like it. I like the vibe that everyone's very chill and अपनी दुनिया में मस्त है. And we are here for another 2 days. The entire agenda of this trip is just to chill. We don't really have an itinerary. We just want to like escape from the city life for a little bit and just, you know, come and shanti se baithna tha. And even though my journey here was such a roller coaster, when I came here, saw this view, it was worth it. It was worth the journey that I took and made. I am so done though. Like आज ही मैं आई हूँ और अब मुझे सोना है. मुझे इतनी नींद आ रही है. The journey was very harsh on my skin also because इतनी कड़क धूप है ना यहाँ की, जो दिन की धूप है. That's what I was telling Ghost, that we're not going out till like 4:30ish when the sun becomes calmer over here, because the morning sun is not like Mumbai ka sun also. Okay, it's humid and sweaty. It's like harsh. It was hitting my skin, and all through the journey it was hitting my skin. Like my skin is so deprived right now. It's like dry-ish and it needs hydration, and the only thing I'm carrying for moisturizer on my trip is the Dr. Sheth's Haldi and Hyaluronic Sleeping Mask, because this is like an all-season must-have kind of a moisturizer. It's very great for like healing your skin, and I know that travel never does well for my skin type. मैंने tape लगा रखा था because flight में air pressure की वजह से it can open and leak, so I did that very typical thing of packing it. This moisturizer has some great ingredients. Firstly, it has hyaluronic acid, of course, so it's a great humectant. Skin बहुत dry हो जाती है north में. One thing is good that यहाँ पे मेरे को acne का इतना problem नहीं होता है, but skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाती है. So the nourishment that my skin needs and the repair it needs, that will be provided by this moisturizer. Additionally, it has haldi, so it will help battle all the sun damage that I face today, the inflammation that I have. This texture is so nice and lightweight that it's great for like oily skin types. You can see what a clear texture it has. You can apply it in the day or night, both. In the night, I like to apply like more of a thick layer like a mask, and just generously apply it on my skin. Tomorrow morning, when you all see my skin, you all will come to know what it does. You can smell the haldi ka goodness in this, and it just gives me a lot of nostalgia with my skincare routine. I like to really pack it under my eyes because my eyes have become very puffy. इतना बचा भी नहीं है मेरा. Taking some more for my neck. It also has ceramides and squalene, so it just additionally nourishes your skin barrier. It's a great product in general, especially if you're oily skin type, even in the summers now. Overall, I just love how my skin feels after it. It's hydrated, nourished, and I know I'm gonna wake up to really bright, plump looking skin. सारे ingredients जो Dr. Sheth's के होते हैं वो packaging में mentioned होते हैं, which is a great thing. They have complete transparency on the packaging. You know I love my Dr. Sheth's products, and I have a code with them. You can use code SARA20 and you will get an additional 20% discount on their website. I would also like to go ahead and thank Dr. Sheth's for partnering with me for today's video. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. We do want to eat, like I think we are just not going to keep alarm tonight at all and wake up really aaram se.
Next morning.
Good morning, you guys. It's day 2 in Kasol and we are setting out for breakfast at 12:48 in the afternoon. So it's more like brunch, it's not breakfast, because we woke up pretty late. We woke up at 11, then I had some work to complete, so I did that. And now we're setting out. We're going to get a bike and explore. I'm excited. It's not cold over here at all. It's very hot. In fact, that's why I'm glad that I carried my racer bags.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Backrest.
Try कर ले जो comfortable है वही ले.
Race दे रहा भी. Race दे रहा भी. For a day, the travel will be so.
Yeah, take it for sure. ये थी ना तेरे पास पहले? वो वाली थी. This is 350 or 500? I think it's 500. Yeah, it's Bullet 500. 500. हाँ, 500 cc है ना, तो अच्छा है ना, चढ़ेगी अच्छे से.
I'm waiting for
Bike
this.
freak over here. Which one is this?
Yamaha Tenere.
So you want this now?
Either this or the Tiger. One of.
Right, you guys, so we've rented a bike because Ghost is a rider and he knows how to navigate through these roads, so that's the best way to go around over here. Yeah, so we've rented from this mechanic over here, Akbar Enfield mechanic, and we are first going back to the room because I'm changing my shoes. मैं चप्पल पहन के बाहर आई थी नाश्ते के लिए, but now I'm going to change into sneakers because थोड़ा ट्रैक वैक होगा इधर उधर. They're negotiating for the bike rates. Rented a Bullet 500cc and it's for $1,000 for a day. मैं सीढ़ियों से नीचे जा रही हूँ because the climb up to our hotel is really bad, the road. So Ghost will get the bike down and I'll see him there. I'm just carrying my GoPro. I'm not taking my M50 with me because इतना सामान लेके नहीं जाना. We are going to Malana. It's a village over here and this is my first time here, so I'm just exploring as I go. अगर आज बाइक हमको जमी ना सिटी टाउन एक्सप्लोर करने, तो कल के लिए भी बाइक ही रख लेंगे. पेट्रोल हंट गोइंग ऑन. कहाँ बोला फाइनली उसने? कसौल विलेज इन. आस्क पेट्रोल कहाँ मिलेगा?
पेट्रोल कितना लीटर है पेट्रोल?
2. अच्छा 240 for 2 liters.
एक और बोतल दे दो.
एक जगह और तीन 1 लीटर और
एक
हाँ
और
है.
लीटर.
Crying so much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us like keep holding on to this present time.
The shift in the weather is insane, bro. Look at the clouds. क्या बदला है climate में से 4 बजे और कल तो sunset 7 बजे हुआ. चलो जी, हम कसौल में ही रहते हैं.
Inspired by the ones that were left behind us, we fell for the light of a foreign sky. Applying to the forces above this life.
We're having Maggie in Manali, not in Manali, in Himachal. It's raining in Kasol. It's raining, guys. It's raining. हमने इतना गंदा वाला lightning देखा ना. मुंबई में भी जाएंगे तो ये बारिश हो जाएगी ना. Can you see the light? Dude, I love it here. I don't want to go back. It's going to rain so bad. I'm going to get wet over here. Look at this place.
Crying so much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us like keep holding on to this present time.
You guys, it started raining and look at these clouds moving. It's insane. View is insane. हम लोग बराबर टाइम पे वापस होटल आकर जैसी ही बारिश होने लगी. Don't you dare! I was hungry. I called for it. Momos are not even come. Dude, I'm so hungry. Since we are back, we've not eaten anything. I only ate that one Maggie. Beach mein. I ordered this at 6:45. Your hot chocolate is also very tempting, so I'm having it.
No,
I'm having it. It
It's
smells
not
like
mixed.
it smells like Complan,
it's not mixed all.
but it smells like Complan.
I didn't have it.
Listen, what time I ordered this? What time it's come? Momos कब आएंगे?
Too hungry, too
Even I'm too hungry, bro. बाहर जाए? बाहर कितना अच्छा है मौसम. बाहर जाए ना बाहर.
अपने बालकनी में मेरे को तो बोली रूम के बाहर.
बालकनी रूम के बाहर ही है. बाहर तो नहीं जा रहे ना अभी. अपना हो गया आज का. इतनी बारिश हो रही है बाहर. मस्त वेदर है. ये बारिश नहीं हो रही है और हम आज होटल में खाएंगे. हमारा होटल का खाना अच्छा है ना. मस्त है. थ्रू आउट द इवनिंग जब बारिश हो रही थी ना, the clouds were just moving between the trees and everything. Like it's too pretty over here. Too pretty. Like I could settle here, you guys, and I'm saying this. I love Mumbai. This is so pretty and so calming. Hello, you're gonna stand here and eat it? Look at this. आधा तो खत्म हो गया. Listen, take it out. Momos are here. Thank you. सीधा बालकनी में ही रखो. आप इधर रखोगे ना तो ये उठेंगे ही नहीं बालकनी के लिए.
ठंडा भी हो जाता है.
आपको आना है तो आप आइए, वरना हम खा रहे हैं. नॉर्थ में आके मोमोज नहीं खाया ना तो ऐसा एकदम इलीगल लगता है मेरे को. अब मैं खा रही हूँ. हाँ,
मैं किधर रुका?
मेरे लिए रोक क्यों बोला फिर?
बाहर आने तक.
Next morning.
Good morning, you guys. It's day 3 in Kasol. I woke up early and got ready, had my bath. I washed and blow dried my hair also, but somehow it's very sticky. I don't know if it's the weather here. Despite washing it freshly, also my hair is a little sticky. Ghost is still sleeping. He just got up, but he's doing his thing. So I've come down for breakfast. I've not done any makeup or anything today. I don't know what we are doing. Our trip is super relaxing. I wanted to wake up at 6 in the morning and go back to that riverside. But he was like, I'm not getting up at 6. छुट्टी पे वो भी कल रात को तो मौसम इतना ही बदल गया and cozy हो गया था एकदम. So we didn't keep any alarm and just slept. I woke up at 9, did my thing, and it's 10:36. So I'll have breakfast, then we'll see what we want to do. And I want to go back to that riverside for sure. That was so peaceful yesterday. It was the prettiest thing ever. I'm wearing this top from Ski On Apparels, white, Mridul's brand. Cute, very comfy, and it's a little cold today because कल बारिश हुई थी ना, तो आज थोड़ी ठंडी है. इतनी नहीं है, it's bearable. Let me see what's there for breakfast. I'm having breakfast at my own hotel because the view over here is beautiful. This hotel is beautiful. And अभी तक हमने इधर का बराबर से खाना नहीं खाया. कल रात को हमने सिर्फ वो जो 2 स्टार्टर मंगाए, मोमोज एंड ड्रैगन चिकन, बस उतना ही खाया. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं खाया. 7 बजे के बाद रात को बहुत भूख लग रही थी, बट 11 बजे के बाद एवरीथिंग शट्स ओवर. इट्स नॉट लाइक बॉम्बे के जोमेटो कर लो कोई भी टाइम पे. So we just went to bed hungry only. We ate Twix and we went to bed. Today hopefully we'll buy some Lays and kurkure and all on the way because last night I was craving kurkure yellow वाला. Order ले लोगे जी? एक scrambled egg.
अच्छा
नहीं, एक चीज़ ऑमलेट कर दो.
अच्छा
और एक कोल्ड कॉफ़ी.
एक कोट का
हाँ, सॉसेज या कुछ है?
सॉसेज होगी
है सॉसेज?
हाँ,
चिकन?
नहीं।
नहीं सॉस नहीं, सॉसेज. चिकन सॉसेज नहीं है ना? ठीक है, सिर्फ चीज़ ऑमलेट और कोल्ड कॉफ़ी.
उसमें ब्रेड लगा देना.
ब्रेड लगा दो.
ठीक है बिस्मिल्लाह.
Thank you. It's so nice here. I just want to stay here only, bro. I don't want to go only anywhere else. Today is our last day in Kasol.
A few moments later.
I'm back in the cafe. I've done my makeup. I actually washed my hair again because I thought the oil that I applied last night तेल लगा के सोई थी, उसकी वजह से my hair is oily, but that was not the case. My hair is just being oily over here in this weather probably. So I've tied like a half ponytail situation so that the oily bit is nice and in the ponytail. And I'm sitting here in their cafe at the Hillside Hotel where I'm staying. Just gonna get some work done. It is 12:55, so almost 1 o'clock. Ghost has gone to meet a friend of his. I didn't go because it's too lazy. But yeah, he'll come back and then we'll go somewhere probably. I wanna go back to the riverside like I said. So yeah, there. I love this property. I'm in love with this place because there's so much peace over here. So the vibrations I'm getting in this place are beautiful, so calming, so relaxing. The minute I come down, I love it. I love this cafe area. They have an outdoor space. Hello, you're eating lunch and coming? Mostly no, so we are eating lunch. So you're coming back to the hotel now? ठीक है, okay. Bye. Can you see the breeze? The weather here just shifts so fast. It's going to rain, and it's going to rain heavily. I can see the clouds just turn and move. It's going to get very dark. I hope this guy has left. Otherwise, वो bike पे भीग के आने वाला है. Can you hear the thundering?
Hello.
Did you leave?
I'm just leaving in something.
Baba, it's going to rain.
It's sunny over here.
No, here it's getting very dark and gloomy and windy. फटाफट आजा, भीग जाएगा वरना.
I'll have a smoke and I'll push.
No push now because otherwise you'll get wet on the way.
ठीक है, I'll push.
चलो, bye.
Bye.
The shampoo and conditioner. अभी मैंने use कर. I'm working. I'm gonna finish work and I think we'll eat lunch here only. It's very nice. Like I wanted to do this only. I know I can't completely eliminate work because something or the other keeps coming up. So instead of being upset about it, I just wanted a new space. And this is so relaxing, you guys. Like I want to do more of this because one good thing about being a content creator or having your own business is that you can work out of anywhere. But the bad thing is that you don't know when to stop. So I don't mind not stopping, but I like this change of environment, if you will. इतना मस्त लग रहा है. Oh. Yes, thank you.
Bulletin.
Right in time, you've come to eat my food.
I'm not eating it.
Not eating?
I'll order something else.
No, please order. They are very slow. I've ordered this half an hour back.
But first finish this. We have been.
You're eating this or you're not eating anything? Because then we are going.
Finish it?
Huh?
Will you finish it?
No,
Excuse
you
me. Can I get a cold coffee?
And how many times cold coffee you'll eat?
I'm sleepy.
You're sleepy now?
But I'm not
You do one thing, you give me the bike and I'll go.
I'm not sleeping.
This is so yummy looking. See this? Dude, this is delicious. It's so tasty and healthy.
Her place, dude, it was off-road. Good 3 kilometers of a steep hill climb.
I was very happy sitting here by myself anyway.
Not done with your work.
I took so many nice photos of myself, which anyways you were not going to take off.
So I told you I'm not a photographer after you called.
Tomorrow I want Nutella pancakes one last time before we leave.
So we'll take the background all down. Like said, no, why are you going? I'm like, let me go, otherwise my friend will kill me.
I was just
chill,
close.
no, stay back, no. You are this close to getting pissed at me.
Who?
I had offered you to come. You said no, I'm going.
Cool. Yeah, I was cool. But you not coming. It's fine. Go now. Anyways, the climate is today so pleasant. See how it's just changing. Sun comes, go.
Welcome to the mountain. Mountain.
Yeah. So then I was like, ठीक है तू भीग मत जा बस. तू बीमार पड़ गया start of the lap में तो गए.
I just realized on the way coming back, so I was alone. So ऐसा तू है कि नहीं मेरे background में बज रहा था.
Alright guys, finally we are heading out. Mr. Ghost has come back from his solo escapades and अभी हम जा रहे हैं ग्रहण, which is I think like वो same जो river side हम कल गए थे ना उसके आगे है and it's more of a trek. So I changed my shoes and now I'm wearing my Air Forces because I was wearing chappal before this. I ate a good wholesome lunch, so I'm तो feeling very nice and pumped and recharged. ये सीढ़ियाँ मुझे चढ़ के नीचे आना पड़ता है till he gets the bike and comes.
We break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up.
The bike ride here was insane. My bum hurts. Itne rocks the, but look at the view over here.
Let it go. Oh, we fell apart just in time.
Guys, I'm actually removing my shoes and I'm going to put my feet in the water and sit. It's very cold, but that's what it's about, right?
You say at least it was worth the try.
Oh, flip it!
At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. So
I'm sure there are more cafes in Kasol, but we every time end up at Evergreen. Where we went, you guys, it was so peaceful. It was so peaceful at Grahan that it was not exactly Grahan. Oh, there's a venue. I miss my venue. Finally on pancakes. I was craving this since yesterday. This is Manikaran, that means we went out. So we exited Kasol.
ऐसे राउंड मार रहे आगे.
चल मुझे मैगी की इतनी स्मेल आ रही ना गाइस, हर दूसरे उसमें मैगी है. I was craving solid musties and so can we take more than 2 solid musties please? Take all that they have. Magic masala is this, na? Acha, this Lay's. Take this also, Bubs.
There are 5 kurkure.
हाँ तो अपन और बहुत दिन है ना, इससे थोड़ा एक्सपायर होता है. मैं देखो बोल रही हूँ मैं आज रात को ही खत्म कर देगी. I love कुरकुरे. We are going for coffee to Off Limits. This is a cafe that I saw on Instagram Reels. और हम रुकने भी वाले थे वहाँ पे. It was one of the locations we had in mind, but I don't know why we didn't book it. Why didn't we book it?
Better booking.
No, we didn't like this ना. We didn't like the place to stay. But अभी कुछ करने को है नहीं तो हम जा रहे हैं उधर कॉफी पीने. Check the place out. इतना रील्स देखा ना मैंने उनके Instagram पेज का. So might as well. Read on my phone. Where is it? Hi. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, I don't have a good this with animals.
Don't get
Listen. You. But you, me, and animals don't have a good equation. You know that very well.
But you can't
It
get.
was coming towards me.
But they don't bite you. No, it's a baby.
They don't bite. They would have punched me, dropped me.
This is off limits, my friend.
This is Off Limits. So where's the coffee shop?
Last one.
Park View. Huh, coffee and villa. So there's Off Limits, coffee and villa. Wait, I've not shut your bag. It's open.
So cafe का है Off Limits का? यहाँ से जाओगे?
अच्छा आगे.
Thank you.
This is where Off Limits का stay is. Cafe is आगे. What do you think about this stay?
Yeah.
The hillside where we are staying is best. Very nice. Lot of places here to stay. अपने को क्यों बुकिंग नहीं मिल रही थी ना? इतनी सारी जगह है. हम बड़े चूजी है.
We are sort of late.
But we still got one of the best places. Okay. Thank me. Listen, no.
हाँ?
मेरी फट रही है.
Sir, वो कुत्ता कुछ करेगा नहीं ना? आप
पक्का ना?
कुत्तों के साथ हमारा थोड़ा.
What a cutie, but I will stay away. Dude, it's so pretty, huh? Look at the cafe. They have proper coffee machines and everything. Can you add Nutella to my mocha
Yeah.
coffee?
Yeah, we'll do
Yeah,
that.
so I'll.
Do you want it a normal or you want hemp infused?
I want to try that.
You want to try the cafe is serving hemp. Okay. It's
Okay.
famous for that.
I
It's
know,
been
I
featured
know.
on license shit and everything.
Okay.
Yeah. So like this menu, you can customize anything on the menu with hemp.
With him?
Totally. Totally.
Okay, so I'll have that. How do you do it in coffee? That's very interesting.
No, actually we serve the seed. We don't
Okay.
serve the oil.
Okay.
So it's dried.
Huh?
The seeds are dried, right?
Seeds are dried, yeah.
The hemp seeds are dried.
Yeah.
So you mix it in your AeroPress while brewing the coffee?
Yeah, some more like that, and then we sprinkle with the seed.
Okay, I'm gonna go inside the cafe and have a look. Coffee, anything excites me. It smells so good. It just smells so good. I can totally work here. I got my job also. I got my place to stay and I got my job. I'm finally having my कुरकुरे solid मस्ती. कल रात से कल रात में मैं इतना बज रही थी. I want solid मस्ती. Still you didn't get for me. Hello, Mister.
Yeah.
Just ignores me.
पक्का when you are working late, even have to. इसका ये cab sort कर रहा मैं.
Coffee's come. Coffee's here. I'm so excited to try this. Thank you so much. Cheers, baby. Our first hemp infused coffee. This is my first time trying hemp infused coffee. You can see the hemp over here. Let me show you. So this is what the hemp seeds on top that are there, and they've infused it in the coffee also. Looks damn cool. Coffee looks beautiful, and according to Ghost, it's the best coffee he's had. So I'm gonna try it now. Okay, fun fact about me, I've never tried bhang before. I've never had bhang ever. And this is, I love coffee. Something new I'll try. Dude, it's damn tasty. It's so good. The coffee is so good. जो तिल जैसा है वो है क्या हेम?
The seeds.
It's the seeds. तो वो सिर्फ मुंह में आ रही है. जैसे हेम्प का अलग सा टेस्ट नहीं है. The coffee is very good. And the Nutella that I told him to add Nutella in his mocha coffee. Very good. It's like Impulse ka hazelnut and mocha. In very good steamed milk.
I'll ask him till what time is the place open?
Till 11.
11?
How can you call cold coffee in such cold weather?
Cold is...
Yeah, I can taste the hemp more in the cold coffee. The cold milk absorbs it better, क्या?
better, yeah.
हाँ, इसलिए भांग ठंडाई में डालते हैं.
That's
Makes
the
a
reason
lot
I
of sense. इसमें hemp का टेस्ट नहीं है, but coffee is
coffee.
amazing. So I like coffee. Like coffee ऐसा मुंह बना रहा है.
But like I said, it's the best coffee in the trip that I had.
Yeah, it's the best coffee in the trip. हर जगह कॉफी में इन लोग आइसक्रीम डाल के दे रहे हैं. और guys, we came back to the room but we are going back to off limits. थोड़े हमने अभी comfy वाले clothes पहन लिए because बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी हो गई है. बारिश हुई नहीं बिल्कुल, but ठंड बढ़ गई. जैकेट ले रही हूँ. Then, where yours? Yes. Change your shorts, you'll feel cold. No?
I don't feel cold on my legs. Is it comfy?
It's very comfy. I love the fabric on this. I was telling you.
This is one of my favorites.
Let's go. Comfy, cozy. Put perfume now on me.
How my jacket is going to smell.
Like Davidoff. Davidoff is an evergreen. The hot chocolate is the best part. This also has hemp in it, but this is tastiest. Pasta was good, better than Jim Morrison. It was cooked, but इसमें नमक कम था और French fries में बहुत नमक था. But their drinks and beverages are the best. I'm not giving you this back.
Don't do this, yeah. Don't, just.
एक और मंगा लो.
You call for it now.
Excuse me.
You drank my hot chocolate.
Take. Drink. One more Nutella hot chocolate with him.
Drink now.
Same thing. एक और. Thank you.
Hello.
Up you?
I'll have it hot now.
Ah, very good. Now you have this one. You kept it.
You
No?
drank, now you drink.
What idiot he is.
There will be a lot of sugar.
That's a lot for us. And milk.
I don't have a problem. You have a problem.
I like their milk. I don't know which milk they use.
Next morning.
Alright guys, it is day 4 of our north trip and the last day of Kasol. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. It's been so beautiful in Kasol, just the right amount of everything, relaxation, good food, amazing people, very chilled out over here, and this view that I'm sitting in front of, I really don't wanna like give up on this hotel because this view is to die for, dude. Waking up to this view every morning has been so relaxing, and this hotel is so perfectly situated that बिल्कुल कुछ आवाज़ नहीं आता है इधर. We have 2 more destinations in our North India Himachal trip, so we will be heading to our second destination in some time now, checking out of this beautiful place in Kasol. I really hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Ghost has gone to give up the bike over here and we are taking a car to our next destination. So yeah, I will see you from there in another Travel with Sara episode. For today's video, the Sara Squad shout out goes to Sana Sheikh. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sara Squad shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad and get a chance to be a part of my next video Sara Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you.